Hi, my name is Dr. Chelle. Wait, my name is Dr. Michelle Ehrig. I go by Doc Chelle. Welcome to Dr. Test Prep. My goal right now is to help, my goal is always to help my students be the best that they can be. And even though I only am going to know you through YouTube or virtually, I am so thankful that you trust me to help you on your educational journey. Right now, we are working on our PSAT and SAT. We are focused on the questions that I've written with very minimal input from ChatGPT because it sucks at math. So don't use it to cheat. Like, don't cheat ever, but like ChatGPT doesn't know what the heck it's talking about. Moving on. We're working on Khan Academy Unit 4, Lesson 13 on polynomials and other linear graphs. So these are the questions we're going to look at. I will refresh this because if you don't have the right calculator selected, it won't work. So if you click in my description to open up Desmos, make sure you click Choose Assessment and then the College.world PSAT. If you use the regular practice calculator or some other ones, it won't work. But this calculator is what you'll have on your test. If you've bought my book on Amazon for $14.95 that my phone was resting on, we're on page 82. If you didn't, no worries. Paper and pencil or whatever you use to record stuff. I have kids at school. They just take screenshots because I teach virtually. It doesn't matter to me, but you need to take some notes. And most importantly, you need to have Desmos open. All right, I'm going to go over the tip that I have on the bottom. The trick to this section is paying attention to the problem and typing the function incorrectly. Take the extra few seconds and double check your work. And let me tell you, when I was writing these questions, I messed up a ton. Well, no, probably 2 times, which is a ton for me. So it is really important to just type a little bit more slowly because you are saving a ton of time in computation by hand. As perfect example, I put a minus sign instead of the 0. And that was not planned. That was me being distracted. All right. So old school, if you watch Khan's videos, they're going to have you do the substitution, do the multiplying, do everything in your head. New version, h of 5, answer. Where's my pen? 150. Done. Okay. And if they ask you for the point would be 5/150. I mean, how easy is that? Let's look at the next one. Let's X these out. Really, we're not paying attention much to the graphs because we're just really using the function feature. Don't type in spaces. Let me double check. X plus 3 minus 4, 2x plus 7 minus 9. Yep. And it wants f of -4. Hello. I know. Drop the microphone like President Obama. All right. What is y when x equals -2 in the following function? Remember, f of x and y are synonyms. You do want to write the f of x because that allows us to do the substitution. Shift 6 allows you to put in exponents. -4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x plus 9. Excellent. So x equals -2 is the same thing as saying f of -2, which is 5. I mean, we did all of those very challenging questions, a little bit sarcasm, a little bit not, in seconds. And you know what? If other of your peers didn't watch this video, they didn't know that the Desmos calculator could do this for them. Like, and if you have a TI calculator, like, I'm not telling kids not to use the calculators that they can bring in, but like Desmos can do a whole lot. And so I just like this feature. On the TI, you would have to type the function in, go to the table, and then in the table, you would have to look for -2, and then you would get your 5 output. But it's just way easier to use Desmos. All right, so these were the basic examples. Come back in the next video to do the harder examples. Bye-bye.